our 4-tier food and product display. First off, the overall dimensions. The length, we have 15 3/4 inches, with a depth with also 15 3/4 inches. And the height, we're looking at least 1.5 inches. Measurements apply for the first, second, and third layer. For the bottom, for the height, we're looking at least 8 3 7/16. And the overall height, from the bottom to the very first tier, we have at least 45 1/4 inches. Each tier can be swiveled and turned, and included will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bin tags that can be inserted for 2 of each of the 4 sides. So 2 for the first, 2 for the second, third, and fourth. The 5 bin tags that will be included for each tier can be inserted into each slot of your preference. Also, be receiving this frame with totem beneath where you can insert your banner, your sign, or anything you'd like to advertise. For more information, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.